Hello guys, yeah, once again, my name is Gbpusd, and I ended the other video because it's getting too long. That's about 11 minutes. It's getting too long. 11, 12 minutes, I guess. It's getting too long. All right, so this is where we stop on that video. Right? Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Now let's continue what we were doing. Now remember, we've gotten five confluences already. Five confluences, right? From this our list here. Remember, we are just working with everything on this list. I told you if you have three, we are good. If you have four or five or more, then that is a very good trade for us. But remember, always apply risk management, right? Always apply risk management. So let's bring this trade. Let's bring this trade. Now this is our buy trade. This is not supposed to buy from here. This is supposed to buy from down here where the current price is. Okay. Supposed to, this is not buying from the current price. It's buying from above this place. Alright. So some 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 platforms are like that. This is supposed to buy from this place where this red is, but it's buying from here. Alright, so let's just trade it like that. Remember our stop loss will be below here, below the zone, and our take profit will be 1:2. So if you are risking 29 points, you should be getting 50. Uh, this is 49. I want to go above this. I want to go above this psychology level. So let's reduce this, but it should be below that zone. All right. So this is 25.3. You are risking to get 49.3. All right. So this is a good trade for us. So let's trade this and see if we lose, we have lost. If we record it down, on our notes. Let's see. Let me create a space here. Trades, back tests. Let me name it back tests. Remember, we are back testing this strategy. Back test. If it's one, I'll write one here, and if it's loss, I'll add loss there. Alright. So now let's go back to the trade. Let's see what the trade plays out. Alright, we take this trade ahead and see how it's played out. Let me bring my risk reward and place it there. Right, this is our trade. So we can easily risk reward. It didn't appear there. Let's bring it again. Alright, this is it. This is our entry. This is our stop loss. These are take profits. Remember, in trading, you have to be patient. You don't have to rush. Now, remember, this is okay. This week's reward, you are risking 17 to get 56. All right, this is quite different calculation from the other one. 56. This is like 1:2, 2.5 or so. All right, so let's see how the trade plays out. Remember, as the trade goes on, with our trading plan, we tend to change some things. All right. So this is where okay. Well, I guess this is because this trade started from up here due to manipulation or something. Now this one is the normal risk to reward here, which is the trade supposed to start from here normally. All right. So let's see how the trade plays out. This is going to take our stop loss of it and take profits. Now let's take time forward. Okay, this my space bar is not working for this. I want my space bar to work. Let me quickly set up my space bar. Settings, preferences, hotkey. That's what I need to change. Hotkeys. This is it. Hotkeys. I'm looking for the play button. There's the play icon. I want to choose my space bar to do the play icon. I'm seeing that here. Period. Chart. Full screen. Next tab. I'm seeing this. This is next tab. The play mode. Right. It should be here. Reload. The play widget. Should be around here. Um, Nest. There should be like a nest here. Nest. Okay, this is it. This is it. So I want it to be my space bar. I want it to be my space bar. Apply. Okay. All right. So sorry for that delay. Let's take this one out. So now let me use my space bar now to move it. My space bar now can move it ahead. So if you see, as this trade is going ahead, if you see a confirmation of that this trade is going to reverse, we're going to hop out of the trade. Either we hop out in profit or we hop out at break even. Now you can see you're already in profit at this point. You can see you're already in profit at this point from our entry. Now you can see you're already in profit. We see a weak rejection above, we hop out. Already in profit. Keep stretching it. You can see from all our confirmation, the trade is going in our favor. And if the trade gives us at least 10 pips, um, 10 pips in profit, we're going to move our stop loss to break even, so we can't lose on this trade. You understand? So, all right, that's how we do it. All right, so we keep going ahead, 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 ahead. It's almost in our stop loss. Almost in our stop loss. Now this trade hits our stop loss, right? Can you see this trade? It took out our stop loss. So this is the first of this trade, and we already lost $1 using this lot size. 1.96 dollars, right? That's what we lost using this lot size. Right? So let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next trade. Remember, in trading, you will lose, you will win. Now, we want to see how well this strategy is going to work as we backtest. Now, we already lost on this trade, so let's go and record this loss. Loss. Now, remember I told you we're moving stop loss to break even, but in this case, we can't move stop loss to break even because this is not. If you move it up, it won't work. It won't go to break even. As we moved it up, it won't move to break even. So let's move on to the next trade, and we'll practicalize that more on the next trade when we move stop loss to break even, right? Do more practical on that on the next trade. Even if it doesn't work, we'll try to move it up here so that if it comes here, if the trade hits us in as break even, not in profits, we know that, oh, this trade doesn't have a loss, and we'll move to the next trade. Well, let's look at this. This trade gave us some pips. Let's see how many pips it gave us. If it was up to 10 pips before, let's see. This trade actually gave us 20 pips before it came back to hit our stop loss. So assuming it was a normal trade, at 10 pips, I've moved my trade to what? To break even. You can see this 20 points right here, 20 points, 23 points. So this trade gave us 23 pips, and before it came back. So assuming it was a normal trade, I would have moved my stop loss to what? To break even at 20 pips. So if it's coming back, I won't either I won't be losing on this trade. I will either put my stop loss at profit or at break even. So I'll either be gaining, or I will be not I will not be losing at all. So that is how we trade. And this is number one trade we've made. So on the next video we'll continue from this trade, and we'll keep on using analysis, and we'll see how well it works. Now I recorded loss for this one, but on the next one I'll tend to calculate that move again. I'll calculate that move if it goes in profit more than 10 pips. I'll move my stop loss to break even. Even though since we are back testing, I can't move my stop loss to profit from this because I'm using this risk to reward, and it cannot move towards to profit. So it can only be at like go at break even. So I'll be using that for this. All right. So and I'll also show you how I'll also maximize my trades, and when I'm in the trade, how when I'm my stop loss to break even, what else I'll do. All right. So I'll do that on the next trade. This one, let's learn from this, and let's move on to the next one. So I'll be going on the next trade on my next video, not this one. I don't want it to be very long. This one is already long at 12 minutes plus, still counting. Alright, so I'll end this video now. Guys, make sure you watch my next video. Let's keep on backtesting this strategy. Alright, I've told you my trading plan. You have to have a trading target as well. And no strategy is the holy grail. And make sure you know that what makes your price doesn't that what makes you stand out and what makes your price don't come back to hit your stop loss is when you put it at break even, which we're supposed to do here because it's already give us 20 pips. I told you before, if it gives me 10 pips, I'll put it at break even. And we didn't do that because I didn't move this risk to reward below to see how many pips it has given me. Well, I'll make sure I put that into consideration on the next week. So bye for now, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.